तेलुगु केरला स्ट्राइकर्स यहाँ पे कोशिश करेंगे जीतने के लिए. अगर जीत गए तो सीधा फाइनल्स में पहुंचेंगे.
मणिकुंतन कंटिन्यू करते हुए एक ओवर डाला, इससे पहले 11 रन दिए थे, थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव रहे थे उस ओवर में. कीपर अप टू द स्टंप्स, दे आर अपीलिंग फॉर अ स्टंपिंग हियर एंड इट्स बीन रेफर्ड टू द थर्ड अंपायर. मणिकुंतन,
मेरे को लगता है जिस हिसाब से कीपर और बॉलर एक्साइटमेंट दिखा रहे हैं, शायद काफी नजदीकी मामला हो सकता है. दिस लुक्स ओके विद द नो बॉल लाइन.
कोचर ओवर बैलेंस कर रहे थे, बिल्कुल परफेक्ट स्टंपिंग कीपर द्वारा. The foot was in the air when the bails were whipped off. He's gonna have to go.
That's a brilliant work from the keeper. केरला स्ट्राइकर्स के लिए ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट विकेट थी रमन, क्योंकि समीर वाज रियली मिडलिंग द बॉल वेल. This stage, Mumbai Heroes need their batsmen to get more runs on the board. Otherwise, Kerala Strikers काफी आगे जा सकते हैं.
So he's gone for 13, Sameer Kocher. It's 19 for 2. Raja Bharwani, the new batsman in for the Mumbai Heroes, who's tottering at 19 for 2. Sameer Kocher out for 13 after facing 12 deliveries. सुनील, जब ऐसे बैट्समैन आउट होता है T10 के फॉर्मेट में, 12 बॉल खेले, लगभग रन बॉल स्कोर किया, तो आप कहते हैं गलती हो गई थोड़ी, या तो बने इतनी देर तो और रन बनाओ.
नहीं, मेरा मतलब है रमन जी, क्योंकि इतना बॉल खेलने के बाद भी आउट होने जरूरत नहीं थी. मतलब इट वाज अ गुड ट्राई. दैट्स अ ब्रिलियंट वन फ्रॉम राजा, getting a boundary, getting into opening his account and taking the score, their team score to 23.
मुझे ऐसा लगा सुनील, he just got a little lucky because he played it so far across the line. बैट इतना across आ रहा था, बच गया कि inside edge लगा.
That was a special cut, Raman. Can see that. Otherwise, he would have been in front of the stumps.
Runs are in, that's what matters for the Mumbai Heroes. Raja Bharwani opens his account. 4 of the very first ball. कैप्टन सोच रहे होंगे मुझे कुछ करना पड़ेगा. वरुण बडोला.
Varun Badola is in all sorts of thoughts.
Was there an edge on that? Get a feeling the replay is going to be very interesting. With the keeper standing up, it's very difficult to tell.
Let's see. Quite far away from this bat.
Yes, but it's always difficult for the wicket keeper when the ball's pitching up and you're standing up to the stumps.
That's the difficult one where the keeper's always been tested. Mणिकुंतन has been bowling dot balls. That's a pressure for Mumbai Heroes.
What a fantastic over from Mणिकुंतन. He's just given away 4 runs, picked up a wicket. Couple of deliveries still to come. But life getting very tough for Raja Bharwani, and well, worried faces in the Mumbai Heroes camp. Pretty worried looking faces.
We all know that. Why is that? Because of this goal on the board. The score on the board says it all. One more to go in this over. Though Raja Birwani got a boundary from the first ball, but after that it would have been sensible to give a strike. Take a single, go to the non-striker end.
They've been looking for glory shots. Oh, he does get a single, but it's on the last ball of the over. So which means he'll retain strike for the next over. 4 overs gone, it's 24 for 2.